rede, na rede, na rede. Olá, olá.
Wow, wow, look at all the girls here on the beach, my friends. Monday, June 16th, though, the Ocho Man puts on his thinking cap, and I got Ocho.com on my mind here because there's going to be some bets coming your way here for World Cup action. Group G and Group F that the Ocho Man's going to be all over, my friends. Well, our first game here is Germany taking on Portugal. Let's look at this one being a low-scoring game. I don't see much scoring going on here. I'm looking at this one being a 1-1 tie. We got the under on the 2.5. That's minus 140. And a tie on this one pays plus 230 here. That's a big number here at Ocho.com, my friends. Our next one here is Iran versus Nigeria. Nigeria is gelling, my friends. I really like how they've been playing with their last games of friendlies here. I like them to win this one against Iran on a big score. 3-1, that's what I got on this one, 3-1. Nigeria will be plus 110. I'm taking that one. And you know what? On that side too, plus 3.5 here. On the over on the 3.5, pays plus 425, my friends. That's a number I cannot avoid here, my friends. I'm giving it to you guys out there too. I'm looking at this one being a high score. Our final game here is Guyana versus USA. Now Guyana, I really think that USA is going to be overlooking these guys. I look for USA to score first and score early, possibly win the first half. That's a prop play. Second half though, Guyana wins this one on a 2-1, and then check this out. Late in the game, USA comes back with a late goal here in the 78th minute, and they tie this one 2-2, and that pays plus 220 here. You can't avoid that number either, my friends. And the over and under on this one, 3.5, pays 400, plus 400. That's a big number here at Ocho.com. My friends, go to our site at Ocho.com, make it happen. Ocho Man is running right back to the beach here. Pass me the ball, girl.